So why should a sales leader invest in a storytelling program for their sales team? Well, one good example is the example of Rebecca. Rebecca was working in Malaysia as the head of distribution for a very large insurance company, and she got her dream job to work for another insurance company in Hong Kong, her first international posting. And when she arrived in Hong Kong, she decided to get the sales team to present to her their pitch to their accounts. And as she was listening to one salesperson after another, her heart sank. She said, "Mike, they just sounded like talking brochures." And I thought, I'm never going to succeed in this new job if this is how our people talk to our clients. Now, she said, I'd done a bit of storytelling work in Malaysia with my old company. So I asked the head there, the CEO, whether they had any storytelling company that had worked with them, and they had done work with Anecdote. So she reached out, and this was just at the beginning of the pandemic. I spoke with her, and I said, well, we'll do a virtual program. And she was very uneasy about virtual as opposed to face-to-face, but it was our only option. And we did our 4-month story-powered sales program. And she called me after a couple of months, and she said, "Mike, it's working." All our people were sitting out in the open area with their face masks on, and one of the guys started doing the old pushy way of selling, and the lady sitting next to him elbowed him in the ribs and said, "Tell a story." So they're starting to tell stories, and she's noticing the change, and already the group is doing much better with its sales results.